Once again, we're the Delta Saints. It's an absolute pleasure to be here. We got one more for you, and then we're gonna continue drinking whatever that coffee liqueur is, and be up for 3 days. Man, that stuff's incredible. That's dangerous stuff, man. You get drunk and caffeinated at the same time.
That's good, baby!
Speaking of drunk, this next song's about a hangover. So it's borracho today. What tomorrow? No, I know what tomorrow is. Resaca! That's tomorrow morning. This is about that. It's called the Devil's Creek, which tastes like coffee. Going down the shine, that creature will lose your mind. Down there they dance, you laugh and dream on the devil's mind. Whatever you do, hear what I say. The ones down there will lead the way. Since you should not see, don't dip your feet in the devil's creed. Don't dip your feet in the devil's creed. Don't dip your feet in the devil's creed. Now preach the Lord, something Muhammad that I find. Sweet eyes, don't walking, get running, don't just be behind. But you don't hear what I say, the ones down there don't need to pray. For instance, you should not see, don't dip your feet in the devil's creed. 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 Junkies is testing the fire alive. Burning more rising, no creaking, gonna lost your mind. You hear what I say, go down there, don't need to pray. Promises you shall not see, don't dip your feet in the devil's creed. 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 Don't dip your feet in the devil's creed.